The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Manners and respect, you see? Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want to talk a little bit about these videos with you, my viewers and subscribers, or to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows a female who had been caught on camera stealing from a church offering collection. I don't know where or when this video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers, but this video is being talked about on social media. So let me know what you think about this video. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, if that female really and truly stole some things from the offering collection, assumed to be money, right? I'm saying to myself, she might not be the only person who is involved in this whole thing. That is, if she really and truly stole from the church offering collection. You see? Because the video shows two other persons as well. So I am saying to myself, none of those two persons don't realize that the female stole from the offering collection of the church. Eh? Think about it, viewers and subscribers. See? And that is if she really steal from the offering collection of the church. But anyways, let me just tell you what I think. You can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is circulating on social media where it is said that this video allegedly shows a popularly known female on social media who some people on social media call Nikki shoplifting. See? Now, one of the main questions being asked about this video on social media is if this video really and truly shows the popularly known female who some persons call Nikki shoplifting. You see? Many things have been said about this video on social media. Some persons are saying that the video is a publicity stunt. Some persons are saying that the video shows somebody else. That person is not Nikki. And some person seems to be convinced that the video actually shows the female who some people on social media call Nikki. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. And after I present this video to you, I'm going to tell you what I think as well, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, people, you see me Dancehall skilla, I'm not too quick for jump and say yes, other person they do this, other person they do that based on some things I see on social media. No, that's not me. So when it comes on to that video and accusations that have been made about that video, I don't accept it. Me not defend nobody, but me not accept it. Not until me get some hard evidence or the main source behind this video step forward and say, yo, I she that in the video shoplifting, before me say yes, alright, well I true then. You see me I say? Say not until me get some hard evidence before me say yes to the person. No, on social media have some persons that say the person favor her, who is the popularly known person on social media known as Nikki. You see me? Some people on social media say the person at the video favor her. Some person on social media say look on the tattoos and them compare all kind of things. You see me? I say to you, people even look on what she wear and all them things. Me nah go jump to conclusion. Me nah go say she that. No. Hard evidence me deal with and confirmation. You see it? But me just make you know about the video because the video is being talked about on social media and me just make you know about the allegations of the video as well. So me I say, so you can tell me what you think, you know, but me just tell you what I think, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you. This video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded, but this video is about a situation where it is said that a man pulled his gun right in the middle of a confrontation between him and other persons over land. Like for real? My people, I'm going to present the video to you first and then I talk a little bit more about this video. You see me I say? And you can let me know what I think about this video as well, right? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright.
My God, real enough. My God,
Don't study me. Don't study me.
Let's gorilla here. Let's gorilla.
Fighting for people and watch him.
Watch me 11. Show me 11.
Big 3-story house on him.
Watch me 11. Come down here and you want to do. They want to attack me now because you're fine. They can handle them. But let me tell you something. Don't leave grass. Don't jump in the heaven. Go back down. Watch me. Why?
I will fuck you up.
Brandon.
I will fuck you up.
Yes, bring out your gun and shoot. Delicious, show it. Show it.
Watch, she pull out your gun.
Show it. Show it.
The bring gun.
Have a talk camera. Tell me how it.
Yes, I have a top camera.
Go see.
My God, tell me how I'm going on you.
Let's go see.
Alright, the people. I think I've said this before in at least 2 of my past videos that I've posted. And I'm going to say this again. Actually, I know I said this before. I'm going to say it again. Yes, when it comes down to land argument, me no have no time for land argument. I walk away from land argument. See? Me avoid land argument. A lot of times land argument end badly. So, if someone argue with you over a piece of land, and if you can live without that piece of land there, make them go on. And if you see where it get too hostile, sell the whole place and move to a better neighborhood. That's so me deal with life, you know. Me not have time for an argument, you know. Yeah. Anyways, my people, let me know what to think about that video, alright? I'm gonna move on to an audio. Now, my people, I'm gonna present an audio to you. And this audio, a man say some things where it have me wondering if this person is smoking or something. So I say, like, whosoever come up with whatsoever been said in this audio, really and truly, nothing I think so. And I hope say I joke that person I make. So I say, anyways, tell me what you think about some of the things that have been said in this audio, because it don't make no sense to me, but maybe I joke the person I make. So listen. Listen.
Yo, you know, say me a pray a thing my youth and me a look into it and I say, you know, say people will work for people love man, but the people them will hire people like the boss them a woman them love, because if you look into it, remember say man will do the hiring, you know. Him is an employer, you see me? But like you know will work for people and you love man because he's an employee, you see me? No know if you see it or me see it still.
Alright, here my correction now, see? So, the man who himself is an employer, right? Love woman. And the people who work for that man is the employee. So who hire the employee? Eh? So that means that the employer would be a botee. If you understand what I mean. So, totally no sense. Alright, me get the joke still. Who's ever do the order there? Big up that person there. So I say, people, me just make you know about a few things. So I circulate on social media, be talked about on social media. I mean, them Dancehall skilla, you don't know me, keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comments, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you and the audio as well. Alright? Alright. Until next time, wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.